Welcome to AI with Absaar. Buckle up because today we're diving deep into the latest Tesla AI event hosted by Elon Musk, an event that was nothing short of mind-blowing. From autonomous cars to robots that might soon be doing your dishes, this is the future we've all been waiting for. Get ready because we're talking about AI-powered robo-taxis, humanoid robots, self-driving fleets, and a whole lot more. I guarantee this is going to be a wild ride. So let's kick things off with Elon Musk's blunt reality check about the state of our current transportation. And I mean blunt. He didn't sugarcoat it. Today's transportation system sucks, were his exact words. And honestly, he's not wrong. How many of you spend hours sitting in traffic? Think about it. We waste so much time, energy, and money just getting from one place to another. Cars are expensive, you've got gas prices, insurance, maintenance. It's a never-ending drain on your wallet. And here's the scary part. Statistically, driving is one of the most dangerous things you do daily. It's no wonder Musk is pushing for a world where we no longer have to drive ourselves. This is where Tesla's autonomous vehicles come in. Imagine this. You get into your car, tell it where to go, and then fall asleep. You wake up at your destination. No driving, no stress, no risk of accidents. Elon's vision is a world where cars drive themselves, and humans are just passengers. Would you trust an AI to drive you while you nap? Let me know in the comments because that's the future Elon is promising, and it's coming sooner than you think. Now, here's where things get even more interesting. Elon didn't just stop at saving lives with autonomous vehicles. He's talking about revolutionizing the entire concept of car ownership. Did you know the average car is only used for about 10 hours a week? That's out of a whopping 168 hours. So for the majority of the time, your car is just sitting there, doing nothing, costing you money. But with Tesla's autonomous cars, they could be driving themselves 5 to 10 times more, adding way more value to your investment. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities. Now here's a question for you. Would you let your car drive itself around the city while you're not using it, earning you extra cash? That's exactly what Elon's suggesting. Tesla owners could rent their cars out as self-driving taxis while they're at work or asleep. It's like turning your car into an income-generating machine. Just imagine, instead of your car sitting idle in a parking lot, it's out there driving people around, making you money. Now, let's talk about the real star of the show, the brand new CyberCab. This is Tesla's first fully autonomous robo-taxi, and here's where things get wild. It doesn't even have a steering wheel or pedals. Yeah, you heard me right. No steering wheel, no pedals, just AI and cameras running the show. And get this, it's priced under $30,000. That's insane. Elon is saying that the cost of using a CyberCab could be as low as 20 cents a mile. Compare that to the average cost of public transport in a city. About $1 per mile. This isn't just a step forward in car technology, it's a leap into a new era of transportation. Now imagine fleets of these cybercabs roaming around your city. You just hail one on your phone, hop in, and it drives you wherever you need to go. No driver, no waiting for a bus or train, and at a fraction of the cost. What do you think? Will people embrace this futuristic form of transport, or are we too attached to the idea of driving ourselves? Sound off in the comments because I know this is going to spark some heated debates. Now, while the CyberCab was stealing the spotlight, Elon casually dropped another bombshell, the robo-van. This thing is like the CyberCab's bigger, meaner cousin. It can carry up to 20 people or loads of cargo, all without a driver. Fully autonomous, fully electric, and designed to replace everything from city buses to delivery trucks. Need to transport your sports team? Done. Running a business that requires shipping goods across the city? Robo-van's got you covered. And the best part, it's all done without human input. Imagine a city where fleets of robo-vans are handling deliveries, taking people to work, or even transporting entire soccer teams to their games. No more waiting for buses, no more worrying about late deliveries. Just sleek, efficient, AI-powered vehicles handling everything. The question is, are we ready for a world where we no longer have control over our transportation? Would you feel safe in a completely autonomous vehicle, or does the idea of a driverless city freak you out a little? And here's where it gets even crazier. Elon Musk isn't just revolutionizing transportation, he's coming for your household chores too. Enter the Tesla bot, also known as Optimus. Yup, you heard that right, a humanoid robot designed to do everything from washing dishes to walking your dog. During the event, Elon gave us a sneak peek of the Optimus robot in action, performing basic tasks like pouring drinks. And while the robot is still in the early stages, the potential is massive. Elon predicts that soon every household could have its own Tesla bot, priced at $20,000 to $30,000, cheaper than some cars. Just imagine, no more mowing the lawn, no more grocery shopping, no more babysitting. Your robot can handle it all. And that's not all. These robots could be used in factories, offices, warehouses, you name it. They could replace human labor in so many areas. freeing us up to focus on creativity and problem solving. But let's stir the pot a little. Do you think robots should be allowed in our homes? I mean, sure, it sounds cool to have a robot do your chores, but what happens when they get smarter? Could we be creating a world where humans are no longer necessary for basic tasks? And how would that affect jobs? Let me know if you're excited about this, or if it's giving you serious Terminator vibes. Elon was pretty confident about how fast this technology is moving, and he even hinted at the possibility that robots could soon be affordable for the average person. But that's where things get controversial. Are we ready for robots in our daily lives? Will these machines make life better, or are we opening a Pandora's box of problems? Because let's face it, the idea of humanoid robots living among us still feels a bit too futuristic for comfort, doesn't it? And just when you think the event couldn't possibly get any more exciting, Elon capped it all off with his vision of future cities. Imagine this: a city with no parking lots, no gas stations, and far fewer cars on the roads. Instead, these spaces are turned into parks and green spaces, where nature and technology coexist. Thanks to fleets of autonomous vehicles, we could reclaim city land that's currently wasted on parking and driving infrastructure. How amazing would it be to walk down your street and see nothing but green parks and clean energy-powered cars zipping by quietly? It sounds like a dream, but Elon Musk is actually working toward making this our reality. But here's the real kicker. Will we lose something important by automating everything? Is there a downside to living in a world where machines do all the driving, the working, and maybe even the thinking? All right, that's a wrap on this insane Tesla AI event. From cybercabs and robo-vans to humanoid robots, Elon Musk is clearly playing chess while the rest of the world is still figuring out checkers. But now I want to hear from you. Which part of this event blew your mind the most? Are you ready for a future full of driverless cars? Or are you more interested in having your very own Tesla bot to handle your chores? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, because this conversation is just getting started. If you found this breakdown of the event as fascinating as I did, make sure to smash that like button, share it with your friends, and hit subscribe for more deep dives into the incredible world of AI and future tech. I've got more exciting content coming your way, and you won't want to miss it. This is AI with Absaar, and I'll see you in the next one, where who knows, maybe by then, Tesla bots will be editing my videos.